If you're looking to take your 4th gen Tacoma off-roading, rock sliders should definitely be on your list of modifications. In this video, we're gonna show you how to install some rock sliders from NYTOP. Super easy to install and they definitely look good. Let's get into it right now. So before we install these rock sliders from NYTOP, let's take a look at them and talk about them a little bit. So these are a steel construction, they're powder coated black, a nice modern design. This is gonna definitely protect your rocker panels while also helping you get in and out of the truck or helping you get up to your roof if you have a roof rack. There's gonna be a total of 10 larger bolts that you're gonna install and 1 smaller diameter bolt. All the bolts come with the kit, and this should be very easy to install. I would definitely suggest getting a second person because these are a little heavy. It's definitely gonna make it easier. Let's go ahead and show you the bolts on the frame where we're gonna be installing these and then get them installed. So the holes we're gonna be using on the frame to get these installed are gonna be these 2 holes here at the back. You're gonna have another set of 2 holes here. Moving down towards the middle of the truck, you're gonna have a set of holes. Got these 2 right here. This one, which is gonna be using the smaller bolt, which is included. And then you're gonna have 2 down here on the bottom of the frame. You think you can hand it over? Yeah. All the bolts are started. Now it's time to torque them down. All of the M10 bolts are gonna be torqued to 48 foot-pounds, and then that one M8 bolt is gonna be torqued to 21 foot-pounds. All right, we got the passenger side rock slider installed here. That was pretty easy. One of the easiest rock sliders that I've actually installed. So now we're gonna go ahead, jump over to the driver's side, do the same exact thing, and then we are finished with this install. All right, guys, that is a wrap for the NYTOP Rock Sliders here on the 4th gen Tacoma. If you have any questions about the install, make sure to drop a comment down below. If you want to pick these rock sliders up or anything else for your 4th gen Tacoma, make sure to head over to YotaXpedition.com. Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.